Thank you very much for being here. This is Sibö, and in a brief moment, I will tell you a little bit about the weird name, where it does it come, and why that is important for us. Basically, the first thing I want to say is what we are eating is killing us and is killing the planet. It's as simple as that for us, and it defines these four big problems: food waste, plastic waste, climate change, food scarcity, and malnutrition. And the previous startups already talked about these issues in different ways, but we are approaching it from one perspective, which is changing the basis of production. Changing the basis of production for us is what is going to lead the change in the future, not waiting for consumer behavior to change, not waiting for other companies to look into more creative products. Instead, we're looking into the past to bring the solutions that we need for the future. Sibö is the name of the main Costa Rican god who taught the native Costa Ricans how to use the natural resources in a responsible and sustainable way. And that's what we do at Sibö. We are here to lead the food industry to a sustainable future by creating innovative biomaterials using insects, but other sustainable materials as well. We started the company in 2020, not the best year to start, but we have been able to make a lot of progress coming from Costa Rica, a small town in Costa Rica, now being located in the Netherlands. The why we have this structure is because we have three business verticals to bring our solutions to come to life. The first one is insect farming, which we do it with families in rural areas of Costa Rica, which is a tropical country. So we don't need any electricity or water, and we use circular economy practices to feed the insects. At the same time, we're able to help communities grow and grow, and these communities have been financed with public funds. So we can scale up without investing in our farming process. We just focus on quality and supporting these families. The second step is basically separating the insects into components. So this is where the technology starts. We take the input of an insect and we have three main outputs: fiber, protein, and fats. The third part is what we do with those three main material or functional materials. And the key innovation that we're taking to market is an insect protein extract, which is water soluble, as there are none right now on the market. This is taking the insect out of the table and putting the benefits of this material. But the key innovation that we're bringing to the market is our insect biopolymer. And this is based with the chitosan, or the fiber out of the insect. Imagine that you could use the insect exoskeleton, that weird part that all insects have, well, and take it into an edible biopolymer that is flexible, that has the same durability as plastics, but it doesn't have to be composted. It doesn't have to be disposed in a specific way. It could be edible by humans, or it could be edible by any animal. So far, we started in Costa Rica in 2020. We already launched a national insect farming program in Costa Rica. We plan to have 100 families by the end of the year, which means 100 tons of monthly production of insects. And we are now taking our innovations to life with the help of Brightland Campus here in the Netherlands, as well as Innovation Quarter, the Hague Business Agencies, and we already have access to the Unilever pilot plant to keep our innovations going. We are patenting our formulations. The main application is the edible biofilm, and we're planning to launch a series of pilots for the protein and the biopolymer from June to November of this year, so we can take all of this to market by the next year. These are our projections. So far, we have been able to start getting letters of intent, to start making progress, understanding better the market, and we are doing basically a low projection right now for the first 3 years, but our market opportunity is over the $80 million, both in the US and in Europe. These are amazing team. Thank you thanks to Albert and Lucero Tagle. So we have been able to create this amazing team. My co-founder Daniela is from Costa Rica as well. And this amazing team is based in Costa Rica, Portugal for now, and moving to the Netherlands, starting the operations this year as well. This is our network of support. And so far, what we're looking for is a round of 250,000 euros here in order to move to the next step. The reason why we're doing this small round only is because we have been able to look into public funds to finance the farming process, and we have been doing a lot of pragmatic solutions. We are Sibö, and what we create are thoughtful innovations. If you have any questions, I'm